Hello everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video we are going to solve this nice algebra problem, and here we have 49 to the power of n minus 42 to the power of n equals to 36 to the power of n, and we will solve this problem for the values of n. So the very first thing we are going to do is, here first we will divide each of the sides by 49 to the power of n. So when you divide each side by 49 to the power of n, then you will get here 49 to the power of n over 49 to the power of n minus 42 to the power of n over 49 to the power of n equals to 36 to the power of n over 49 to the power of n. So in the next step you will see here these two terms are cancelled by each other, and here you obtain 1 equals to here we will combine the exponent of these two terms, and you will write it as 42 over 49 and its whole power n, and it is equals to, here we again combine the exponent of these two terms and you write 36 over 49 and its whole power n. So in the next step we will just cancel the terms if any. So here first you see that these two terms are cancelled on the table of 6 or on the table of 7. So here you have 7 6 are 42 and 7 7s are 49. So here you have 1 minus 6 over 7 and its whole power n equals to, here we write 36 as 6 square, and we write 49 as 7 square and its whole power n. So now we can write the right hand side as 6 over 7 whole square and its whole power n. So now we will just interchange these two exponents here, and we will write it as 1 minus 6 over 7 and its whole power n equals to 6 over 7 and its whole power n and its whole square. So here we can just interchange these two exponents and we write its output in this form. And now in the next step we will convert this exponential equation into the quadratic form, so that here I can just take y equals to 6 over 7 and its whole power n. So when you can put here this term equals to y, then this whole equation will becomes in the form of 1 minus y equals to y squared. So in the next step we will move all the terms in the left hand side to the right hand side, so that it will becomes in standard form, and we write it as y squared plus y minus 1 equals to 0. So this will becomes a quadratic equation in the standard form. So now we will use the quadratic formula in order to solve this problem. So here we have a equals to 1, b equals to 1 and c equals to minus 1. So our nice quadratic formula is y equals to minus b plus minus b squared minus 4 times of ac square root over 2 times of a. So in the next step we will put all the values of a, b and c in this formula, and you will get here y equals to minus 1 plus minus 1 square minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is minus 1, and the whole square root of this term, and this whole over 2 times of a is 1. So in the next step we will make some simplifications here, and you will get y equals to minus 1 plus minus 1 square will becomes 1, and this is plus 4 square root over 2. So after some simplification you will write it as minus 1 plus minus square root of 5 over 2. So here we have two cases. I can break in two cases. The first is we have minus 1 plus square root 5 over 2, and the second case is we write y equals to minus 1 minus square root 5 over 2. So here we back substitute the value of y, and you in the start of the problem we will take y equals to 6 over 7 and its whole power n. So we will back substitute the value of y here, and you get now we will simplify this term by using the calculator. So when you add minus 1 plus square root 5, then you will get here 1.2360 over 2. And when we put the value y here, then you get 6 over 7 and its whole power n equals to minus 1 minus square root 5 over 2. And in the second case you will focus on both of the sides, and you see that in the left hand side we have an exponential function. So you know that exponential function always gives the positive value, and in the right hand side you have a negative value. So it cannot be possible an exponential function will be equals to some negative value, so that we will it is not possible, so we will just reject it this case. And now we can just proceed here this case only. So in this case we would need to take the log on both of the sides of this term, and you write it as log of 6 over 7 and its whole power n equals to log of now you divide 1.2360 by 2, and you will get here 0.6180. So here you will use the property of log in the left hand side, and we move this exponent in the front of this log, and you write n times of log 6 over 7 equals to, here you can use the calculator or logarithmic table, and you find the value of log 0.6180, and which is equals to minus 0.2090. And here you have first divide log 6 over 7, and you get minus 0.0669. It is equals to minus 0.2090. And when you find the log of this value, then you will get here minus times of n into 0 sorry, this value will becomes after taking the log of this term. So here we cannot take the log, so you have minus n times 0.0669 equals to this one, and we move this value on the right hand side, and you get minus 0.2090 over 0 minus 0.669. So now you will divide 0.0669. When you divide these two values here, then you finally got the value of n equals to 3.12. So this is the our final answer of this problem. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.